Music has always been about creativity and emotion that shape the world. But now technology is opening new doors, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine beats, melodies, visuals, and harmonies created with the power of AI, helping to create music that's fresh, unique, and limitless. With AI, anyone can turn ideas into sound, whether you're an artist, a producer, or just someone exploring the world of music, bringing in a new era of creativity to life.
Them no believe, them laugh at me, but now I stand, now them they see. I come from nothing, no food to chop. Life be struggle, I know fi stop. Mama say my son, just pray. Papa say one day he go pay. But the street be cold, no love, no way. I fight my battles every day. Them say you no go shine, no way. Them say you go fall for ground, but see me now, I done they rise. Now God they guide my fight, from zero to hero. See my story, I don't rise, I don't go fall no more. From nothing to something, them they hail my name. Now I lead, now I run my game. Join me train for war.
Check out the full video in the last section of this video. For now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, you need to have lyrics for your video. If you can't write lyrics like me, no worries, ChatGPT got us covered. First, I paste this prompt into ChatGPT, and in no time, ChatGPT generates me lyrics with a title, From Nothing to a Legend. I asked it to rewrite in an Afrobeat genre and it provides me with this lyrics, titled Zero to Hero. I copy the prompt and paste on Suno AI. I type in the genre as Afrobeat. If you don't know the genre, you can ask ChatGPT and it will provide. After that, I click on Generate. Suno AI generates 2 different music. I listen to it and download the best one. I then open Leonardo AI, click on the flow state option, and paste this prompt. Wide-angle shot of a 2D cartoon African young man in full body. The young man is on a low haircut, wearing an ash hoodie, black camouflage jacket over the hoodie, ash trousers, and a black sneakers, shade of red sunglasses, multiple possession and expression character sheet on a white background. Leonardo AI generates as many images as my credits. The flow state option generates 1 image using 1 credit, and Leonardo AI gives 150 credits every day, which is perfect for our video. I scroll and scroll until I find this lucky one and download it to my device. I then open CapCut and use the Remove Background option to remove the background. Now the character is ready, but we need to add some fancy backgrounds to it. I use the prompt and generate the background using Leonardo AI. I then open an app called Pixelab, where I match each of the character with a background. You can use Canva if you are not familiar with Pixelab. All the images are now ready for animation. I open Hailuo AI and animate the images using some prompts that are available in the description. Hailuo AI allows only 3 video generation per day, so I try some other image-to-video AIs like Pixverse, Video AI, and Kling AI. For this type of videos, I recommend using Kling AI and Hailuo AI for a perfect result. Everything is now ready, but we still need to remove the watermark because we are using the free version of the image-to-video AIs. So after some research, I found a website that perfectly erases the watermark. This website is free and it requires no sign-up, but it clears the watermark for 5 seconds videos only. If you require more than that, you need to sign up and purchase credits. Open the site using the link in the description, upload your video, and set the option to Smart Remove. One thing I love with this site is that you can upload 3 tasks at a time, which can save you time. After it identify and remove the watermark, click on the download preview to download your video. The last step is editing. You can use any editing software you're good at like CapCut, InShot, KineMaster, and more. For this video, I use InShot, where I arrange each animation based on the tune of the music, and at last, it gives us this amazing result.
Them no believe, them laugh at me, but now I stand, now them they see. I come from nothing, no food to chop. Life be struggle, I know fi stop. Mama say my son, just pray. Papa say one day he go pay. But the street be cold, no love, no way. I fight my battles every day. Hunger knock, but I still Them say you no go shine. No way. Them say you go fall for ground. But see me now, I done the rise. Now God they guide my fight. From zero to hero, see my story. I don't rise, I don't go fall no more. From nothing to something, them they hail my name. Now I lead, now I run my game. Join army, train for war. Wake up early, sweat and more. Man don't suffer, man don't try. But I tell myself, no fee cry. Then walk on fire, they rise. Bullets fly, I see my guys. Enemy catch me, tie my hands. Lock me up for this time. Oh man, no go break. No way. I no go shake. No way. Find my chance. I run, I fight. Now I'm back, I take my right. From zero to hero. See my story, oh. I don't rise, I don't go fall no more. From nothing to something, them they hail my name. Now I lead, now I run my I stand and they lead my men. General now, no more small picking. Them they call me, them feel my reign. From the struggle, now I wear my chain. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, na na na. From the fire I rose. Them no believe, them laugh at me. But now I stand, now them they see.